There's Scotland in the distance over there. And I'm sure that in the distance is recognisable to many people. Answers in the comments. And I'm off up here, which seems on the face of it to be a much easier walk than yesterday. That is where I was yesterday, over there, and then I went all over there and then off into the distance. Well, do you know, I was looking at this pile of stones on the way up, and it's actually quite an interesting pile because I don't really know anything about it. But look at this, and then it goes out that way and that way. It's almost like a giant trig point. I guess if I was one of those people that carts a drone around with me all the time, I would be able to see it and confirm my suspicions. However, I'd much rather put food in my backpack than a drone. That doesn't mean I won't ever have one. I think I will at some stage because I think they're quite cool, but not at the moment. Anyway, I'm off up yonder. There. Come on, let's go. So I'm partway up my hill at the moment, and I will just kind of show you. Back over there, back over there is Scotland. But the reason I'm showing you stuff here is this moorland is like, it's actually like near where I live. It's like full of mine shafts, and whilst some of them are fenced off, like, I don't know if you can see one just over my shoulder there, and also one just over my shoulder there. Yeah, there's lots of parts where this has happened. Now this is like right next to the road, to the footpath. Can you see it? Now I'm not going to go to the edge of it. I'm literally just stood on the path now. But this is why they tell you don't go mooching around too much. When it says there's mine shafts, there's probably mine shafts. So, and some of them have kind of, they keep sinking. Yeah. So be careful, folk, when you're out there, and if it says on the map that there are mine shafts, just pay a little bit of attention. Catch it in a bit. Look, there's another one, all fenced off. Yes, so be careful, people. Now behind me is another one of those giant trig point things. I'd love to know what they are, so if anybody knows, please tell me. What I want them to be are like markers that have been put somewhere by someone. I suspect, were they something to do with planes originally? I don't know, could have been, or I don't know. I've not got a clue, to be honest. I'll tell you what they're not. They're not aliens. I don't think they are. Wouldn't it be really funny if, when I'm just saying that definitely not aliens, I just got zooped up by something? That would be proper funny. I'm not even using my stick thing today because I can't bother getting it out. Hello. So here I am. I got to the top of this one over here, and I will. You're okay. You can come through. He's filming this way. Sorry. Hello. So here I am on the top of another one. Look, because what we've got there is the cairn, and I've had a walk up the hill. Now if you have a peek over the back you can see Scotland. Oh, and there's some people wandering around, and a couple of dogs and a baby over there. So I hadn't seen anybody all day, and then I've ended up seeing like a gazillion people here, and I've just been chatting to a fabulous lady from Scotland for like about 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm just having a little sit down here. I had a snack. I can see the snow on Skiddaw over there, which is really cool. And I think what I'll do, I shall get myself up in a minute and I shall show you a video of all of the place around. So, guess what? It got very cold. So I'm walking down now, but if you have a look over here, over there, you can see Scotland.
Yeah. Oh. 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 Sun's golden rays on my skin today. Birds sing their songs as we drift away. Leaves whisper secrets in the gentle sway. Nature's embrace makes me want to stay. Feel the breeze.
Oh, again. So it's like desolate now. So I came, when I've come down off the top of that hill, it was like flipping Piccadilly Circus. But now it's just so desolate. Look, there's nobody around because I've kind of gone off the beaten track again. It's just like so quiet. And I'm heading over to like a gully, and then I'm going to follow a stream all the way back down to where I started off, and I'm hoping that I can find somewhere by the stream where I can stop for a cuppa and have my dinner. I've just got you on just to have a look at these things. Look at the pattern, isn't it nice? So I just came over like a little tiny ridge, and yeah, I saw them and I thought, do you know what? I shall share them with you. I've got a licorice all side. So I've just had a licorice all side stop just to plug my battery charger into my phone. Right. But I'm out of the wind and it's like I'm just admiring the Scotland hills over there. Can you see them? And then going up there, over that one, and then dropping down all the way down there. Look at these little red plants. How pretty are they? I don't know what they are. Does anybody want to tell me? Very lovely.
My face, soul finds its place in nature's warm embrace. Balance and peace found in grace.
Ooh. So it's all descent now for me. Although I'm heading down to what I thought was going to be a valley, well, a tiny valley, a gully almost, with a stream all the way down. But everywhere that I've come across so far, where it's showing water on the map have all been dried up. And if you can see just over there, which is like where it should be showing water, it all looks pretty dry, so we'll have to see when we get down there.
Soft grass beneath our feet so green. Streams run like dreams in this serene scene.
Well, I think I've found where I'm going to have my dinner, and it's down over there. Do you want to have a look? There. How does that look?
Mountains salute the sky pristine.
Well, I found my dinner spot, and if I'm brave enough, I'm about to get into these little tiny pools that are behind me. So I'm just setting my stove up ready just so I can make some hot food and drink when I get out. I'll probably only be in for 1 minute if I manage to get in, but I shall video it just so you see it. Oh, it looks beautiful but freezing. That was a lovely, not really a swim, but it was a lovely little dip. And now I've got some lentil casserole, lentil bolognese. That's nice. I've got my kettle on for a hot chocolate, and I brought myself some bread. Now, it's not homemade, this is Lidl made, so, and it might be a bit not as, it's alright, it's not as, I mean, I've had this for a couple of days. But you know, there's nothing nicer than getting out of the water and then having something to eat and drink. Now, I know purists amongst you will probably say, well, you hardly went in the water, but I'm telling you, it's blooming freezing. So, I'm just going to have a bit of I'm just going to chill because I'm like in this sort of lovely, protected from the wind area with the babbling brook behind in the background, the waterfall now. And then I'm going to have my lovely hot chocolate in the nice new couple that my friend bought me. These are gorgeous. Okay. Cheers everyone. Me, I've had my little paddle. I have had some lovely food, hot chocolate and a biscuit, and I am going to get myself back home because I think there's a little bit of rain, perhaps, who knows, you never know. There's only 3% chance, but it's already rained twice. So yeah, we're nearly done on another fabulous day. So we're not too far from home now. I'm kind of loving this little route that I've found. Look at this. There's like all these gorgeous little pools everywhere as I'm coming down. I mean, I thought the one that I stopped at was fabulous, but I'm kind of thinking I don't know now. Look, fabulous, isn't it? Oh, look at this one. Look at how it's overhanging. Look at that. Isn't that cool? You know, I thought somebody'd left a sandwich, but look, it's like a fancy rock. What's that? What do you think? I shall leave it here though, I'm not taking that in, but it is very nice. Because you like going along with nature. Ooh, look at this one. That looks a yummy one. Although I can tell you it's blooming cold. It is. Look at this rock. Come on, let's keep going. Let's keep going down here. Oh, that's a nice looking pool as well. Isn't it? I'm thinking this might well be a place to sort of come back when it's a little bit warmer. Look at the waterfalls up there. Can't remember what they're called. I did look on the map before, but I've forgotten what they're called. I shall pop it onto the screen afterwards if I remember. Look at them! Look at them things stuck up there. What do you think they are? It's strange. I'm guessing this has been some kind of mining works at some point, perhaps. I shall ask a local when I see them. Careful, that's the edge. Yes, I'm guessing all of that is some kind of an old mine working. And look at these stones that are everywhere. Very interesting. Oh, now we seem to be approaching like the remnants of some kind of a building. So, I could be right. I shall consult my map afterwards and see what. Shall we go and have a look? Shall we go and have a look at this? So we've nearly got to this. We've nearly got to this sort of what looks like the remnants of a building. Let's go and explore. Ooh! Look! Oh, and there's some kind of a metal thing over there. Come on, let's go and have a look. Look at these rocks. Look! Like these rocks are everywhere. Like gazillions of them. And then we've got, look, all this here. Now I'm like inside the building. Oops. This is fascinating, isn't it? Look, look at that there. What's all that doing? And then if we come over here, look at this. What's that? I don't know. And over here we've got this thing. Oh! That. Lots of bricks. Yeah. How intriguing. And then it goes, so it comes all around there as well. It's very strange. Let's go down into this, let's go down on the other level. We'll go downstairs. Have a look down here. Whoops! And there's a door there. There's a door over there. A bit of old beam. Old wall. Fascinating. Oh, what's that over there? Can you see that thing up there? We've got to go and investigate that, haven't we? Before we go, I know we're going that way, we've got to go and have a look at that. Come on, come with me. Oh, well, this is a bit creepy. Oh well, I shan't be going in it, don't worry. Strange. I am supposed to be on my way back, but I've just done a detour to sort of look at all of this lot, which is like this old mine place. But we've got like a nice waterfall here as well. Look! More stuff which I suspect that's some kind of a vent shaft for the mines. But I mean, this is pretty cool around here. Because, look. So what I'll do, I think, I'll turn you around and we'll walk up to it and have a look. I mean, that looks pretty good. Okay. So this looks really cool here, although I'm not going to go any further up because this little bit here looks really slippy and I'm on my own. So, but how good? Oh, what do I do with my lip then? This is the, oh my word. I mean, this is super to sort of end my couple of days hiking with, I think. I mean, look, it goes up and up and up. I've been gradually climbing for quite a bit from over there. And then if you look down here, there's like people down there. It's the first people I've seen in like ever. Well, for a few hours. And I was down on that level a while ago. So that means that anytime now we're going to have to go down, which is going to be quite funny. Although, again, I know it's there because it's on the map and I'm like doing it just for a bit of fun. So, get ready to go down because here we are. Look, I'm going to spin you around. We're going down there now. Are you ready? Come on. Come with me. And we're down. Oh my word. Oh my word. This is a golly gosh moment on the old thighs. So we're going to head over there in a minute. But we've got, look, we're back down by the river now.
Feel the breeze on my face. Soul finds its place in nature's warm embrace. Balance and peace found in grace. Soft grass beneath our feet, so green. Streams run like dreams in the
Oh. A forward or a bridge. Forward, bridge. Forward, bridge. I'm doing the bridge. I've already had my feet wet today when I went into the doodah. Like, oh my word. I think this bridge has seen better days.
Mountains salute the sky pristine. this harmony we're always keep. Feel the breeze on my face. Soul finds its place in nature's warm embrace. Balance and peace found in grace. Oh, oh, oh. Stars come alive in the twilight glow. Moon shines bright like a guiding show. Connected deeply in a flow so slow. In nature's arms, be truly know. Feel the breeze on my face.
Another day nearly done, nearly completed. Just strolling around, along a country path now, country road. It's gone very quiet in this neck of the woods. I guess that's because all the day trippers have gone home. So it's ever so peaceful. And I've just got to go over this little ridge in the road, and then it's all downhill to where I'm staying, which I think you can probably see when I get over here. Let me just have a look. So yeah, we are over there, about there.
Soul finds its place in nature's warm embrace. Balance and peace found in grace. Feel the breeze on my face. Soul finds its...
Hello sheep. Are you having a nice time eating all your food? I've been up on the hills. Oh, okay, fair enough. I can take a hint. And as we are continuing walking down, look at that place. That's pretty cool, to be honest. It's got, oh, it's a school thing. Look, that's interesting. I thought it looked like a school when I was coming down. Fancy that. And I can see my car. So my car is there. Can you see it? So that's another day done. Another day of the hiking done, and it was fabulous. I particularly enjoyed that kind of disused mine place. Wasn't that fun? And my little dip, paddle, was really quite nice. And then yeah, that was lovely. And then also finding that sort of waterfall. What do you think? So it's like my last day here today. I'm going to go home in the morning, and it's definitely been a success, I think. Yeah, loved it. I hope you've loved the videos that I've made of it, because yeah, I love it. And remember, just do what you can. That's all you can do. Do what you can. So, catch you later, people.